Are you wanting to get more clients on Facebook, but you don't know exactly how to do it? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you some of my best tips I've personally used to get up to 5 clients in a single day just using Facebook. So keep watching. Hey, my friend Garrett Berry here, and on this channel I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales using social media. So if you want more videos like that, be sure to go down below, click that subscribe button, and then click that little bell notification so you're always notified of videos just like this. So a lot of people were asking me, Garrett, how can I get more clients on Facebook? I'm posting on there, but I'm not getting a lot of engagement. I'm not getting a lot of people interested in working with me. What advice would I give them? And I actually relate to this very, very well. When I first got online and I started promoting a business, wanting to get more clients, I actually struggled for many, many months. I'd be posting information on my Facebook page, but I wasn't getting a lot of engagement. And especially, it seemed like no one was really interested. People were kind of in their own world. I wasn't able to get people really reaching out to me and eagerly wanting to work with me. So I was really frustrated by that, and I did a lot of studying. I did a lot of, I invested thousands of dollars in different trainings, and what I really discovered was there's a certain few key things that separate people from, the people that get a lot of clients on Facebook and the people that don't. So what I want to do in this video is actually walk you through some of the concepts and the principles you need to have in place if you're struggling or just don't know how to get clients on Facebook. The very first thing that I started realizing was you need to post consistently on your Facebook, okay? I know this sounds simple, but a lot of people are not posting consistently. They're on Facebook, but maybe they post once, every week, maybe a couple times every few days. What you have to realize is that your ideal client, your ideal customer out there is needing to see you in front of them consistently, okay? It takes on average about 7 to 12 exposures online for someone to actually want to work with someone. So if you're not posting consistently, it's going to take a lot longer for you to generate those amount of exposures that's going to get someone actually interested in reaching out and working with you, okay? So that's the first thing, is you need to post consistently. The next thing is you have to identify who your target market is. This was a big one in my own life. I remember when I first got started, I thought everyone could use my service, right? I was teaching people how to make money online, and I thought everyone wanted to make more money. So, I would talk to people on Facebook. I would talk to people that, worked at a job and they just were unhappy about their bills, and I was trying to persuade them to join me and to work with me based on, they just wanted to make more money. But what I realized, unfortunately, after a long time, and I want to save you that pain, my friend, is that the easiest and fastest way is to find people that are already looking for what you're offering or already interested in the service that you're offering, and then just position yourself in front of those people. This is really the path of least resistance. Rather than trying to go out there and try to convince people and chase people, you can actually get people attracted to you by finding the right people. Now, how do you do this on Facebook? One of the easiest ways to find people is to actually look for Facebook groups that are around the niche or topic that you're consulting or you're coaching people on. So for example, let's say you're a personal trainer right now and you want more clients on Facebook. One of the biggest things I'd recommend you do is to actually join a Facebook group that is around people that want to either build muscle or people that want to lose weight, depending on what you're teaching people. Find Facebook groups that are around that topic, join those groups, and then what you want to do is you want to start being active in those groups. Now realize that because people are in there and a lot of people are going to be struggling, the very fact that you offer coaching and you offer services to help people, you're literally finding the exact people that are going to be right for your business. So rather than having to chase people, rather than having to message people and find out if you're attracting the right people, you can just go to where they are and then position yourself in front of those. And what you want to do is you don't want to be spammy. You don't want to post a lot of ads and be really salesy. Instead, what you want to do is you want to look for people that are struggling, people that are asking questions, people that are talking about a problem they're having. And then what you want to do is you want to comment an insightful answer. Now, what this is going to do is, first off, it's going to allow you to position yourself as an authority figure, which is who people actually work with. But number two, it's going to allow you to build that relationship with that person. And then you can either continue the conversation in a private message, or you can allow them to message you. Oftentimes when I've done this in the past, people actually message me. You know, I'll help them and they'll reach out asking me for more information, or, you know, do I have a way to work with them? And so it's really, really powerful. And my last thing that I want to share with you that really helped me, my friend, was you want to build a social media presence. Okay, so, you know, whether you're building on a Facebook profile or a fan page, either way, you want to really focus on building a brand around yourself. You know, a lot of people, when they want to build a brand online, they focus on their company. They focus on, if they're promoting a certain affiliate product, they focus on branding themselves all around that thing. And the issue is, if that goes away, or, you know, they don't really relate to the company, now you've boxed yourself in. So what you want to do is actually brand yourself as a leader, as a coach, as an authority figure in your niche. And this is going to allow people to actually seek you out for information, seek you out for products, for your expertise and things like that. Okay, once I personally started doing that and branding myself, it was night and day. Rather than having to chase people and get rejection after rejection, I was actually able to position myself and get people chasing me, asking me for products, asking me to work with me, and it was totally night and day. All right, so now you know some of my best tips to generate clients on Facebook. But Facebook is just one of many sources to generate high quality clients. Be sure to grab my free training audio, 17 ways to get leads today, down below, or head to GarrettGetsResults/17 ways. On that site, you're going to discover 17 different ways that are all simple to quickly start generating more leads and clients for your business. Anyway, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends and any business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, I'd love to hear your feedback. Comment below. What do you want me to help you with next? I'm putting these videos out consistently, and I really want to help you get the results you want. Thanks so much, my friend, and I will catch you on the next video.